Scammers. Scammers! Run, don't walk, don't move here.
Yeah, whoa, yeah,
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to a new video. It's your girl Kayla Lashae. I made an appointment actually last night. I was looking online at some studio apartments because I wanted to see a studio in my last apartment hunting vlog, but they weren't able to show me any units. I'm gonna go peep the area. It looks extremely walkable, and it's literally like in the general Pentagon City Mall, Pentagon area. So metros, buses, all that type of stuff. And it's on the more affordable side, guys. It's like 450 square foot. That is small. My last studio was maybe like 670. So I can't imagine what it's gonna look like, but I'm just gonna put on a gym outfit. I'm gonna get ready to like pack my gym bag because I want to work out after I go look at this apartment with you guys. I'm gonna wear my Amazon leggings. They are comparable to the Alphalete Contour Amplify that costs like $72. Baby, I got these for 18, okay? So I'm gonna wear this beautiful like chocolate color because it's giving fall vibes. So I'll link these below. They're also on my Amazon storefront underneath like the fitness category, and I wear mine in a size small. And I have this really cute chocolate brown colored bandeau bra from Gymshark. So I'm gonna wear this. We're doing upper body today, and you guys can use discount code Lashae at checkout to save on your Gymshark orders all the time. And I'm just gonna bring this bag with me today and probably do my tour on my iPhone so I can get the wide angle. With studios, baby, it's usually one big room and it's hard to really show everything. You already know. I know they're dark, but girl, snatches up the waist. If you're in between sizes, you can definitely go with your smaller size like me. So flattering to the glutes. It has like all of this like waffle contouring like all the way down, and it's like squat proof. So the scrunch, there's no branding on these, which is why I love them, and they come in all these colors. So these are my go-tos for the fall time because they're very fall vibes. These are giving Christmas down here, but blacks, grays, some blues, and muted out tones here. Super cute. $18. They also come in shorts, but I just prefer the leggings.
244 west, then take the first left.
Oh nah, because I should have booked those high rises. I took the wrong exit and I was like all up in the Pentagon parking. But I'm about to pass by the Pentagon City Mall. If I leave this footage in here, it's probably because this apartment did not make my top 3, but I don't mind sharing it for anyone who is coming across these videos looking for places in the DC area, DMV metropolitan area, and you want to know what you could get within a certain budget. And I had the hardest time finding something under $2,000. Like, that's the thing. Like, this was barely making the cut, and it was a studio. Couldn't find a 1-bedroom. Like I said, there's a metro in the mall right here. So that's good. Shops, high rises. Not me about to miss my turn again. It's fine, we left early. And there's not a whole lot of grass, I guess, for like a dog. I can't see where the street is because this big old truck is in the way. See, there's a bajillion signs: towing, bus lane. That's the thing about living in the city, is you need to be 1000% sure you can park there at certain hours, because certain hours the parking turns into a lane. There's a park over here. Arrived? Is this it? Ooh. Parking. I see why they didn't put a picture of their building on their website. It's like a brick building. It's not really a high rise, so that's something to keep in mind. I definitely would not want to be on this floor, the bottom level, so that's something to be mindful of for safety reasons and privacy, because why would you want to look out at these people in their parking lot and stuff like that? Break-ins, I don't know. I just would not want to be on the bottom floor, and these people have a balcony on the bottom floor. That's definitely a negative for me personally. And there's a park right across the street, so that could be definitely a plus. See people playing soccer over there. Again, personal preferences. Some people would love to save their coins and not have to have like the most luxurious apartment features, or maybe they don't care about how old the building structure is. You know what I'm saying? But for me, because I'm at home, I work from home, I'm a homebody girly, those things matter to me, and I don't mind having to pay a little extra money when we go and compare. Especially when I've seen some layouts for a 1-bedroom plus den for about $2,600 compared to a studio that's 400 square foot at almost 2,000. Like, that's crazy to me. When I was walking into the apartment, they do have 24-hour concierge, super nice. The outside just reminded me of a hospital, like pulling up to the ER with the automatic doors. This is the standard style. I'm just gonna film because I've seen so many apartments. And how old is this building?
Almost 35 years old.
35, okay. And if I wanted to reserve this apartment, how long would you hold it for the same rate?
So we send out quotes that are valid for 48 hours.
Okay.
You wouldn't have reserved the apartment home unless you pay the application and administrative fee.
Okay. Editing Kayla here because I was just looking at the flooring. Baby, why does the floor make 0 sense? There's like small micro tiles in the bathroom, a random piece of marble that doesn't even match the same piece going into the bedroom, going into carpet, and then the main living room is wood. Make it make sense. So this is the 1 bedroom.
This is 554 square feet.
And how much does this go for? You said 2,200?
So the starting price is like $22.81, but based on, let's say, end of September and date, or 12 months, it put you at 28.
Say, ooh.
14 months, it put you at 23.
I see. Okay. Cool.
And typically, the earlier you move in, the longer you stay, the better price.
So you can't even adjust your temperature in your unit?
You can. It's just, let's say you wanted to use your heat in the summertime. It would blow out cold air or like warm air. It wouldn't blow out hot air. And since
Oh, baby, no. This, baby, when I saw this, I was already trying to go after she told me that I couldn't control my own AC and heating. Why is this in the middle of the kitchen? It's not even aligned with the cabinets. No door, nothing. This is ghetto. For the price? Baby, for the price? Okay. You know, not my first choice.
this one looks to be brand new.
And if all those other red flags weren't enough, she explained to me that with their utilities, it's billed to the building. Think about going out to dinner with a group of friends and you're the only one that orders like the cheapest thing on the menu. Meanwhile, everyone else is getting shots and steak, but you still have to basically make up for their part of the bill. That's exactly how they run their utilities here. I've never heard about that ever, and that was definitely a red flag. Okay. I used to have a studio in LA with like a similar layout.
Same size?
No, it was like 650 square foot. I think, what is this, 4 something?
458, I believe.
Wow. Okay, so there's 2 closets?
Yes.
Nice. Or 3 closets. Cool. Well, thank you. Lovely lady, great tour guide, but on the way out I peeped the little lock system. I'm not a fan of this. It kind of reminds me of a motel. I don't think I would feel safe by myself living here.
Actually, I'm not sure what you can see, but this is Virginia Highlands Park.
Okay.
Right past those trees is going to be the dog park. They have it separate.
It's beautiful. And this is 24 hours?
No, it's 11 a.m. to 8 a.m.
Scammers. Scammers! Run, don't walk, don't move here. I'm gonna put, you know what, I'm not gonna put the name of it. Y'all can figure it out on Google. The way that they want to charge you for every little thing, I have never heard of having to pay a fee to get your packages. They only accept ups. Everything else you have to pay for a fee. A red flag. On top of that, she said for your renter's insurance, they charge $15 a month to use theirs. I said, oh, I can't use my own? Because my years of renting for 8 years, it's always been at least $100,000 for your coverage. And I have USAA. I have the best insurance. And she was like, actually it needs to be $300,000. Ciao. She said something about the air and the heat. You can't control your own air and heat on different seasons. She said it's rent controlled, so basically they choose when it's going to be hot air or cold air. Baby, no. It was old. It was not worth all the fees and the headaches that I feel as though this building will cause me. Yes, there was concierge, super friendly, black people, love that for me, very polite. Guest parking, liked that. They had a nice view on the roof. There's like a little dog park across the street. Like I said, the area seems very walkable. Dog park, a regular park with sports fields, the mall, the metro. So that was a pro, but that had nothing to do with the building itself. There was something else. I'm sorry, but for that price, I would rather live in a newer luxury building. I think this was 30 plus years old and it looked like it in the inside. Like it just looked... Parking was an extra $100. That's pretty standard. All the fees though was just kind of crazy because it's like they get you with Spirit Airlines. You think it's cheap, but in the fine print you have all these extra little things that should come with the ticket that don't. I don't know. The studio had 3 closets. The kitchen was super closed off, so it added separation, but it also made it look really small. I just don't see myself living there personally for that price. Like I'd rather just get something nicer. Totally forgot 2 things that she said, which is why it would be a negative for me. They're about to start renovating. Apparently they just took over management a month ago. So I was like, oh, are you gonna be renovating the units or like the common areas? And she was like, I think both. She didn't even know for sure. And I already know that would be a problem for me noise wise. It's just gonna be under construction. And in order to get the cheaper rate of your rent, you would have to have a 14-month lease. I would not want to be locked in for 14 months in a building with new construction about to start. So those are just some red flags for me on top of the other things that I had already mentioned to you guys. I just can't believe you'd have to charge them a monthly fee just to collect your mail. I just have never heard about that. And the common rooms are super tiny. So I don't know. I mean, I do know it's not the one, but it was definitely eye-opening in the sense that it makes me feel better now about the decisions that I will make for what I know that I want and what I can get for a little extra money compared to that. And I think that was kind of necessary for me to personally see the comparisons and the differences for square footage differences, your monthly rent differences, location differences, your apartment fixtures, and what you can get for a little extra coins. And I just think about it this way. I don't have a car payment, so I guess it'd be that extra difference of what I was paying for rent and a car note at the same time. Tomorrow, my mom is coming with me to go look at another apartment. After today, I think I'm pretty sure what my top pick is gonna be. I can't even talk, I'm so annoyed. After today, I think I'm sure what my top pick is gonna be. And this just gave me that clarity and reassurance that I know what I'm looking for within my budget. And it's gonna be interesting tomorrow. It's gonna be a self-guided tour, so that'll be exciting. And also it's the same management as my very first LA apartment. So if you guys have been around since then, it might spark some memories to when I first moved to LA, because the pictures look very similar. Literally everything. The kitchen looks very similar to that apartment. Like I transplanted it from LA to here. So that should be interesting because it's also on the lower end budget wise. And then after that, baby, we're done. So thumbs up and subscribe if you guys want to see that video. And I want to know, would you pay $1,900 to live in that 450 square foot apartment?